Visszahívlak majd, most nem tudok beszélni. Visszahívlak majd, de nem tudok beszélni most. Good afternoon, everybody. Okay, this is the English version of my attempt today of streaming the most beautiful Venus. Venus is only 2.5% illuminated today, which means it's really getting closer to the sun. And so what's happening basically is I'm using my 72 slash 420 refractor, and seeing changes varies quite dramatically. Now something is happening and I just don't want to believe that. I hope, let me just double check. I hope it's not getting obscured by the trees, and I hope it's just the seeing. Let me just double check. Okay, we are not lucky. So yes, it's getting obscured by the trees, but fear not, I can still show you the Venus crescent, the Venusian crescent. I think that's how they say it in English. Let me just enlarge it for you. So there we are. Obviously now it's getting really obscured by the trees, which is a little bit unfortunate because I've been just streaming it for about a half an hour in Hungarian to some Hungarian friends. So yes, Venus is becoming a really difficult target now, as it's getting really close to the sun, and it's hard to find it in the sky. I believe it took me a while to get it. So the reason why I got fairly good magnification is because I'm using a Teleview 2.5 PowerMate, and that's giving me around over a meter of focal length. Obviously the resolution is not great, but you know, as good as it can. I'm afraid it's just fading away, so that's all I could show you, sadly. But luckily, I have some footages that I have recorded about 10 minutes ago. Yes, roughly 10 minutes ago. Yeah, it's fading away, so yeah, epic fail, I would say. But again, fear not, these are the videos I recorded just a few minutes ago. So here it is. That's Venus, a beautiful crescent. It was really nice, I have to tell you. Visually I took a look as well. Let me just see what else I have from earlier. Probably it was a slightly better attempt. No, so this is less good. But the funny thing, I don't know, I think these are, well, I don't think these are Um, I think that was a contrail actually, but things are just flying around. Um, it is quite funny. I think they are either satellites or just things flying in the air and reflect lights. I don't know. I need to examine it a little bit. I'm gonna take a look at. Now this is a really bad seeing, a good example of really bad seeing. But yeah, I think that last video seems to be really good, and this, yeah, this one looks alright. So you can see it's big smile, basically from Venus. So yes, um, the apparent size is is 59.3 um, arcsec arcsecond. Oops, you see there was something there. So if I wind it back a little bit, yeah, just there. You see, which is going right next to Venus. I have no idea what that is. It either, I mean, to be honest, if I take a look, I don't know how much you can see from it. If I keep going one by one, I think it's a pair of. It looks like a pair of satellites, to be honest. Just there, these things, one and two. These two things just going hand in hand, or something different, and it just looks like it's two objects, but in real life it's just one. But yeah, I mean, I kept seeing these kind of things, just flying next to Venus or around Venus. Yeah. So yeah, if you can go out and take a look, because it is really beautiful at the moment. So good luck everybody, and I hope you like the video. Take care.